Hey everyone, it's Justice and my cat Mymble here. Today I'm tidying up my desk so that I have a clean workspace to start my YouTube career from. As you can see, things are starting to pile up. I have a few work computers taking up space, a big pile of trash, and it's making my workspace feel small and cramped. This is actually an old dining room table, so it's pretty roomy when it isn't covered in clutter. While I'm cleaning this up, I wanted to talk a little bit about how I keep my space clean on the regular. I typically fall for the snow pile effect, where I push things out of my immediate workspace and they pile up on the sides. But one thing I do is every time I stand up to do something like go get some water, go to the bathroom, I try to pick up one or two items and put them back where they belong. Another thing I do is try to keep my knickknacks to a minimum and put most of my fun figures and things on my shelves, where I can admire them, but they don't distract me while I'm working. I do keep a few on my desk though. This pencil holder was a gift from my sister, and I love how it looks. Here, I'm just taking everything out, and off camera I gave it a good cleaning. Now I'm adding everything back in. I like that each item can have its own space here. And I went a little crazy with the amount of pens and pencils. Is that a paintbrush? Anyways, I decided fewer was better, so here I took most of them back out until I was left with this. I love this little goose ornament. Let's keep him over here with my other knickknacks. Wow, so shiny. When my desk is clean, I feel so happy, like I'm ready to do anything. But I have to admit something. I lied to you. My bed is now super messy. Let's just fix that up though. And voila! Clean bed, clean desk, clean room. Thanks for watching.